Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $50 over and over again by using this simple strategy. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So in this video, we're going to be talking about BetFury. I haven't made a video about this in a very long time, but as you can see right here, guys, I've been using this strategy that I'm about to show you in a minute over and over again. I think I turned $50 into $280, I believe, or whatever this is right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. So let's go over here and copy and paste this so I can see how much this is. All right, we're gonna copy it. We're gonna go to here, Control V. We're gonna go to BTC to USD and $280. And I'm literally going to show you exactly how I've been doing this right now. But for those of you guys who want to get started for free to grow your account slowly but surely, this is an amazing platform that you can use to make passive income with cryptocurrency. Now you can go over here to the boxes free BNB and you can start to accumulate some free BNB. This is going to work for any currency on this platform, guys. So let's go ahead and withdraw this really quick. And these are like faucets for this platform, so you can get started right now by clicking the links down below, signing up underneath me, guys, and let's get this going. So let's just click on check, let's click on withdraw, and it's going to be deposited inside of my account almost instantly. There it is right there. And for those of you guys who already have a BetFury account, if you scroll down just a tiny bit, and if you're interested in getting these boxes, never ever just go for these 7 days. Always go for the 30 days because the price does not change. Look, if we click on 7 days, look at the price, 0.05 unicoin. If we click on 30 days, 0.05 unicoin. It doesn't change. You're just gonna earn more money for a longer period of time. So most of you guys do not understand that. So just whenever you want to purchase any of these boxes that has to do with any token or any currency that you're interested in purchasing from here, always just do the bigger date because it's going to give you more monthly rates, but for a longer period of time, which is more better, guys. So that's one mistake most of you guys possibly make on BetFury. But apart from all that, let's go over here to the staking so I can show you how this works. So as you can see right here, it says estimated payment. So if you have over 100,000 BFG tokens, you're going to be making this in Bitcoin and all of this in the other currencies, guys. So this is really interesting to know exactly how much tokens you need in order to start to make some passive income with BetFury. And I just want to go straight into the strategy and showing you how this strategy works. So let's go to all games real quick. Let's go over here on dice, and once we're here inside of the dice platform, guys, I'm going to show you that this is working. I like to go on fast just because it's going to take us a while. You can see all of these reds, and that is part of the strategy. So let's go over here to the top. Let's switch over to one of these crappy coins. So I'm just going to go over to this. I think it's a BBT or something like that. I'm not sure the name of that token, but I always use it just to start off the strategy. Where it says right here, where it says 50, I like to put it at 22, and I'm going to show you exactly why in a minute. Let's go all the way down to just to 1 Satoshi of whatever token this is, BTT token. So just 1 Satoshi, and then we go to auto bet. So look for auto bet. Scroll down right here. On win, we're going to reset. On loss, we're going to increase by 29. And right here where it says stop on profits, no, stop on loss, first off we're going to click on 0.000000. So that's 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I believe we're going to click A5 right there. So that's how we're going to leave it for now, and we're just going to let this run until it stops on that loss, guys. So let me turn off the sound so it won't get too boring. But this is how this strategy works. We're going to get a consecutive losses just like this. The actual dice is going to stop once we hit that stop loss right here. Then we're going to delete this, and we're going to come over here and switch coins to whatever currency you want to use it with. I'm going to use Bitcoin for this, guys. And to be a little bit less risky, you can put this number down. But this is how I did it. I was always doing these 4,000 Satoshis because look at all these consecutive losses. Pretty soon in the next, I would say 5 to 10 rows, we will get a blue because we already went consecutive like 10 negatives or 10 losses. So let's go to my bets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 So let's go all the way back down to the green. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So that's 11 losses in a row. I'm pretty sure in the next couple of rows we will get a positive or in profit. So I'm just gonna do this just to be safe. It's totally up to you how much you want to put on this next trade, but that is how I've been making my crypto. So let's just go ahead and start the roll of dice. But before we do that, click on stop on profit 0.0000 all the way to 1 Satoshi, so it can stop as soon as you make 1 Satoshi profit. So that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So once we get 1 Satoshi, it's gonna stop it and we're gonna be in profit, guys. So let's go ahead and roll it right there. So 1 2 3 4, and there it is, guys. Went up just a tiny bit more. We're gonna repeat the process and do this over and over and over again. The more cryptocurrency you have inside of your wallet, the riskier you can actually be. So we go over here to my bets again. You can see 1 2, it only took 4. The fourth row is when we got into our profit, and you can see the profit right here, guys. Look at this. You can see my payout is right there. So let's just go to copy or search it up on Google. So let's go to BTC to USD, and this is going to be a small amount, only $10 profit, guys. Imagine making $10 over and over and over again, a sort of less riskier way by doing this strategy, just because of how much losses we had before that. So I'm pretty sure it wouldn't be up to like 20 losses in a row or 30 losses in a row. That's pretty crazy, to be honest. So this is how I've been using this strategy. Now we can do this one more time so I can show you that it's actually working. So let's just go over here to the same one, BTT token. Let's go all the way down to 1 Satoshi real quick, and once we have reached 1 Satoshi, you're gonna come down here where it says stop on loss 0.12345 6 and then 7. So I believe that's right. Yep, that's right. So I want it to look just like this, and we're gonna let it roll again. So once we get another consecutive losses, just like the last time, then we're gonna do the same strategy again. So look, we're about to get it. I think it's around 10 to 12 consecutive losses is whenever it stops at the prices that I have it on. So we're just gonna keep on waiting, guys, and you can see it happening right here. All of the profits, all of the losses, and we're just gonna continue to wait. So I'll be right back once it has reached it, and if it doesn't do it, in just the next couple of rows, guys. So we're almost there. There it is. I think, nope. All right, so I'm gonna be back in a couple of minutes. So as you can see right here, guys, I waited just a couple of minutes and we're already back at the same place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Oh, that's a really good number, just to be honest, because that's a lot more losses than wins. So I'm pretty sure in the next like 5 to 7 rows, we're gonna actually get more profit from here. So I went back to Bitcoin. I'm gonna switch over to, we can risk it a little bit more, but that's really risking it, guys. But let me just show you that this is working. So let's go to 0 here. Let's go to stop on profit 0.1234567 8, and let's roll. So we're gonna roll now. So let's see, there it is. The first one was profit, guys. So look, let's go down here. Look, the first row, or possibly this first row, was negative, and then the second was profit. So let's just click on this to see how much we made right there in that payout. So not that bad, to be honest. This is the payout amount, so it's not that bad. I think I did kind of a little bit less. It's only 500. I kind of messed up on there, guys, but that's totally fine. This is how I am making the my crypto just go up and up and up. So I can't remember how much we started at the beginning of this video, but let's just go over here. Let's copy this. If I can copy it, there it is, copy. And let's paste that in right here to see my initial so that's 280. So let's control V that, and let's click on search. So that is 290. So I'm almost at $300 right there, guys, and I showed you it 2 times in a row of me making profit from using this simple strategy, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.